Welcome. In front of me I have the VANTRUE E360 dashcam, and I'll go over unboxing along with just a quick look at the product itself. So anyway, let's just pop it open. We have some QR codes so you can quickly download the application from either Play Store or the Apple Store. Then we get a quick start guide, very simple. I do want to point out kind of the quality of it. So you rarely get a nice looking manual like this one, a quick start guide, specifically in color, on like a something that feels a bit more premium. So I do want to give props to that. So you can see, interestingly enough, they also let you know that you can use this as a kind of like a normal, almost an action cam. Put it on a tripod or little stick and just carry it around, so you're not necessarily limited to using it as a dash cam only. In here we get the camera itself. As always, the sticky tape is just a little bit too strong. So there we go. Now before I start peeling off the wrappers and all that stuff, I am gonna just go into the rest of the package. So in here we get there we go. So we have our okay, I guess I'm just gonna rip it off like that. So we have the cable that's for the car. It's a Type-C to a little lighter kind of thing. I'm not sure if it has a proper name. And it also adds you a USB port, which is pretty neat. Next we get mountings. So those I presume you just glue to your window or whatever else you want to mount this camera to. Got a prying tool so you can yoink that off later on. Get the adapter. So once you have this glued to your window, just demonstrate this, you just quickly clip that in, and the Type-C is on here. So using the charger, you plug it in here, and then with the pogo pins that are on the camera, when you mount it to it, there we go, like so, it would connect it and start charging. And lastly, in here we have there we go, a USB-A to USB-C cable. So at this point I'm not sure what that cable is for. And and a little cable clips so you can run it so it's not like hanging down your windshield or window. So yeah. Now below that we also have microfiber cloth so you can clean off dashcam, and we have a couple screen protectors included and some stickers, though I guess they're partially like in the German, I think this is. Guess it just has a dashcam also, so probably those are a little bit more redundant. But taking a look at the camera itself, let's just peel those off, and boy, those are thick little stickers. So taking a look at this itself, just send the blend flying. So taking a look at the camera itself, we do have obviously dual camera, as this is a 360, so it captures front, back, and basically everything on the sides as well. It has charging port at the top, along with having it right here as well. At the bottom you have the micro SD card, microphone, and it looks like also speakers right here, or ventilation. And I presume this is the record button. We also have a hard kind of reset switch right here, so if something ever goes wrong with the camera, you can just kind of plop that in there, some kind of like a needle or whatever, and reset the device if it's not responding to you. As by the looks of it, the only button on here is the record button, so occasionally you might need to utilize that. The display right here is a touch screen, so let's see if I can maybe plug it in to get it to show something. Guess I'm not going to be getting any kind of image from this. Let me just try it this way. Now I am plugging it with a completely different cable, so this is most likely not really giving the power that the thing needs. Typically that shouldn't matter, as the charger that I just plugged in is like a 65 watt charger, while this is probably using about 5 watts, so it shouldn't be a problem. But it's not turning on, so I'm not really gonna like try to keep it on plugged in for long or anything like that. But just being a little bit squeamish that if it doesn't have any kind of surge protection, it might just burn out the device. So anyway, as a look at the device, that will basically sum it up. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.